Because we play in the Welsh Premier League, we need to meet certain FAW criteria, lighting requirements for TV, S4C and Channel 4. And our lighting infrastructure at the time wasn't really reliable enough. When we started this project, it's completely new to me. I don't have much of a background in floodlight projects. There's a lot to learn. But when we went out to tender and to speak to certain companies right across the UK, we were really impressed with the service from Abacus, the knowledge they had in regard to LED lighting. Really impressed with the 2 site visits that I had with the project manager, and there was a particular issue really with this project for us, and it was about using existing columns. Abacus really helped us with that. You know, we had to do ultrasound testing on the basis of the existing columns and the bolts and the structure, and have these reports put together. So, you know, I've got to say Abacus were excellent, and they've been excellent from start to finish. Oh, there's so many benefits. We want to be a sustainable club for the future, a greener club, and that's certainly done that now to reduce carbon emissions and the heat from our existing lights. The cost savings, there's been a big cost savings, around 32%. Again, this kind of data is given by Abacus, like a payback calculator, which I've taken through, which is immensely helpful for grant funders to know the figures. You know, the players get a lot out of playing at the Bridge Meadow Stadium here. The grass is glowing green. Our fans are singing, loving the experience in the stadium because the light is bouncing off the pitch, and it's glowing, and our club's become more visible and vibrant, especially at night times, and that's massive. It's like almost a 12th man when we're playing at our pitches on our side because we've got great lighting.